everyone, welcome to Travel to Dubai. Today I'm going to take you on a journey with me to explore the hotels which are accessible to Dubai Mall. As we all know, Dubai Mall is one of the largest shopping and entertainment destinations in the world. If you're planning to stay nearby, there are several top-notch hotels offering a range of luxury amenities and especially convenient access to the Dubai Mall. Let's discover together. To easily reach the Dubai Mall, the Dubai Metro is very convenient. Just take the metro to the Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall metro station on the Red Line, which has a metro link bridge connecting directly to the mall. Once you arrive at the Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall metro station, take exit 1. Within a 5-minute walk on the left-hand side, you'll see the address Sky View Hotel, the closest and nearest hotel to the metro station. As you continue walking along the bridge, you'll be greeted with stunning views of buildings on both sides, which is perfect for capturing memorable photos. From this vantage point, you can see the Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, and various other hotels and office buildings. You'll come across a sign directing you to Emma Square Building and Boulevard Plaza. As you continue walking further, all you have to do is take a left to the door and follow the signboard. This is the Boulevard Plaza. As you move further from the Emma Square building and the Boulevard signboard, take the next exit door on the left to reach the Kempinski Boulevard Hotel Dubai. Now let's go inside the mall and discover the hotels which you can reach from the mall inside. This is the heart of the Dubai Mall, also commonly known as the downtown Dubai, where you'll find the Burj Khalifa, Dubai Fountain, Souk Al Bahar, along with numerous hotels and restaurants surrounding the area. There are a lot of buildings which belong to the Emma Group. This building is the Address Downtown Hotel Dubai. You can easily reach it by walking along the pathway near the Dubai Fountain area. The Address Downtown Hotel Dubai is located opposite to the Burj Khalifa near the Dubai Fountain area, making it easily accessible from the Dubai Mall itself. Near the Dubai Fountain area, you'll find two entrances which direct you to at the top of the Burj Khalifa. Enter into one of the entrances and follow the signboard directing you to at the top Burj Khalifa. Another way is you can reach the place from Dubai Mall itself. All you have to do is head to the LG floor of the mall and follow the signboards leading to the top of Burj Khalifa. If you're still doubtful, you can inquire at any of the information desk and they'll happily guide you. You can easily spot the entrance of the top of Burj Khalifa by looking for the pink and blue transparent glass door. From the entrance of the Fashion Avenue gate on the left-hand side, if you walk 10 to 15 minutes, you will reach the next hotel, Armani Hotel Dubai. The Armani Hotel Dubai is a luxury hotel located in the Burj Khalifa itself in downtown Dubai. From the Armani Hotel Dubai, all you have to do is walk straight for 10 to 15 minutes till you reach the Dubai Mall Fashion Avenue gate, making it easily accessible from the Armani Hotel to the Dubai Mall. And finally, hotels near Dubai Mall give you both convenience and luxury. They are close to the famous shopping spot and offer great rooms and services. Plus, with landmarks like Burj Khalifa and Dubai Fountain nearby, staying there lets you really dive into Dubai's lively city scene. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for more informative video like this. And don't forget, keep exploring.